लिलीज के वहाँ से थी वो सब उड़ चुकी है बिकॉज
So how many members are there in Nox? यार ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता seriously.
And my best striker, Jungkook. Next, sorry.
Little Box, it's your chance to shine. Yeah. Stop the clock, it's time for Nox!
Start. What's up everyone? We are the Nox. And today we are here to answer some of your questions that we have been receiving a lot recently in our public covers. So let's get into it. So first thing first, how many members are there in Nox? So हम लोग इसको एक एक करके आंसर करेंगे because सब लोग अपने आप को पर्सनली इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे starting from there. Yeah.
Leader चालू करेगा.
Let's start from
उसका
here.
co-leader.
Hi guys, I am Shreya and I am 20 years old.
Hi everyone, I'm Isha, also known as Bluey on my Instagram. And
No promotion.
no, but follow me. By my Aadhaar card, I'm 19.
Hi guys, I'm Tanvi and I'm also 19 years old.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini and I'm also gonna turn 19 this year.
Gonna turn 19.
Yeah, she is 18.
She's really.
सच बताओ.
2007 I'm good though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Chindy and I'm 20 years old, but according to Aadhaar, I'm 19.
Why Aadhaar? Why Aadhaar?
According to me, I am 10 years old.
No, it's because you know,
Hello, myself Joy and I'm 21 years old.
Non-challenge behavior.
Not sure. I am.
अरे सब चुप हो जाओ. Okay.
Hello, I'm Bhumika and I'm 17 years old.
Yay!
Hello everyone, I'm Lily and I'm 19 years old. According to me, I was born yesterday. Okay.
Wow, I never carried. Okay guys, second question is what is the biggest challenge we faced when we first started the crew in Delhi? Okay. So इसका जवाब मैं दूँ.
दे दो भाई.
पहले तो लोग ही नहीं मिले थे बट अब लोग मिले तो वो आते नहीं है. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी मैं.
Very serious.
Yeah. How do we decide which songs, groups or K-pop cover we are going to do next?
Literally randomly. कुछ भी उठा के post
Yeah,
कर देते हैं.
random करते हैं.
कोई भी गाना ये अच्छा लग रहा है कर देते हैं.
Anyone wants to answer
After
this?
discussion.
Yeah, basically we choose what we want to do, then
What
give
gives us
our
views?
yeah, and then we give the poll in the WhatsApp group and then decide who is going to do what. Okay, which K-pop in public shoot was the most stressful to film?
And
For fragile.
And
Yeah,
how you
fragile.
like that?
Yeah.
How you like that?
How you like that?
Yeah.
लोग नहीं आ रहे थे. एंटी फ्रेंड में कौन था हमारे साथ भाई? हम जानते हैं स्ट्रगल.
It was anti-fragile. ज़्यादातर
ये
anti-fragile.
सब लोग अपना फर्स्ट टाइम सबको क्या लगता है?
Little Miss in public first time.
No.
नहीं,
अरे सबको
actually,
बताने दो ना.
I was in like every cover ज़्यादातर एक दो को छोड़ के बाकी I think anti-fragile सबसे ज़्यादा hard था because पहली बात गर्मी और जो
Then
boots my
और
god
लोग.
ऊपर से लोग इतने आ रहे थे इतने टेक में हुआ वो छी. Yours?
Mine was highly like that. I was way too overstimulated then.
But still it's the most viewed in our channel. Yay! 50K
It can. That's all that matters.
Yeah. Next question is who is the mom or dad of the group?
मम्मी श्रेया
पापा अश्विनी. ये रे.
और हम बच्चे.
हम बच्चे हैं. तुम माता पिता हो. लीडर एंड
लीडर एंड
लीडर ना.
Bye.
हमारा थोड़ा सा
Because
तुम मम्मी की तरह हो.
जैसे हो.
और मैं पापा की तरह.
हाँ.
ये पापा की तरह है.
ये कुछ बोलती
ये बोलती है
Chill, पापा.
उतना बोलती है जितने में हम काम कर लें बस.
Okay, what are our favorite K-pop groups or ultra biases? अपने favorite K-pop groups.
Hypen, Blackpink.
एक.
देखो गर्ल ग्रुप बॉय ग्रुप के हिसाब से अलग होता है ठीक है ना.
हाँ, एक
तो my ultimate bias is Jennie. I mean like सबसे अलग बस Jennie ठीक है. लेकिन अगर मैं बॉय ग्रुप में देखूँ तो Alex Sherman.
Oh, yeah.
Hypen में है लीडर.
Oh,
Mine is Jungkook and the female bias is Jihyo from Twice and the favorite group is BTS. Obviously, ARMY.
So, but honestly, like if I would say that K-pop में सबसे ज़्यादा till now I like in a boy group is like of course BTS, no doubt. Okay, Jungkook is top notch, and Blackpink में Jennie is. Why?
Bro,
सब ढूंढ रहे हैं,
वो है जंगकुक।
सब ढूंढ रहे हैं Jungkook को इधर, so ignore. So yeah, second is like girl group में I like Blackpink the most, and Jennie is like slay girl.
So mine is Blackpink obviously because मेरा first ever जो भी video था Blackpink से start था. अभी भी मैं उसको continue करती हूँ, and yeah, Lisa is my bias, but Jennie is my bias breaker. And in boys, I don't have any, but I would say कि Stray Kids. I love Hyunjin. I like Hyunjin. He's my bias striker. And my bias is Jungkook, but I don't stand BTS that much. But yeah, Hyunjin is my bias striker.
Mine would be BTS and 17. In BTS it would be
17
Jungkook,
you?
and in 17 of course it's gonna be DK because
Oh, okay.
personality is very similar. Like I feel most similar to him. And in girl group I would say Blackpink, and other than Blackpink I would say the Seraphim. I love their song, and I like the new like the fifth generation group that I really like. Gonna be Boy Next Door.
I have one more. Wait, I have one more. Yeah, एक और. I can't ignore
Nice
this.
one.
But Mamamoo is the best. I love
Okay, my favorite boy group is BTS, of course, and Blackpink as girl group. So, bias is Jungkook, of course, or in Blackpink it's Jennie.
Jennie.
Okay, so I like every K-pop group, like every single, but my ultimate favorite boy group is obviously BTS, and my bias is Jungkook, and my bias striker Jungkook. Next, sorry. Go with the flow, yeah. My bias is Taehyung, and my bias striker is J-Hope. And about girl group, it's obviously Blackpink. I have many more like Baby Monster, Le Seraphim, aespa. I like every single girl group, and my bias is Jennie, obviously.
ये मैंने नहीं बताया. मेरा favorite boy group is BTS of course, and मेरा bias is Jimin. Okay, or in girl group I don't have a particular favorite group, but I do really love Mamamoo and also Blackpink, and my favorite girls. I listen to every K-pop group. Okay, so my favorite bias in girl group is have to be Jimin from Twice. Okay, let's move on to the next question. If we were dancers, what career do you think we would have? Yay, this is the tough one. Food blogger.
Okay.
Food blogger, you.
मैं तो dancer ही होती.
Influencer.
I was born to be a dancer, guys.
Oh my god.
Influencer होती, influencer.
But if you were not
Influencer.
Uh,
Jungkook की दीवानी.
Doctor.
Maya Siva.
Mickey Mouse fan.
What was the question? If you are not a dancer, what you would be? Making what? Obvious.
If I was not a dancer, so I like singing and doing art, so maybe an artist.
Maybe a rapper if I talk about like hobbies, and by the way I'm in corporate anchor, so I will be in corporate anchor.
I'm going to be a psychologist, so I am pretty much sorted.
I'll probably be a doctor.
Whatever you want.
I don't know.
If not for K-pop, I would have ended as a doctor. Anyways. Who takes the longest to get ready for a shot?
Longest to ready.
Literally like dance performance wise या फिर like costume wise.
Costume.
घर से ready होकर आते हैं.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं पता कोई टाइम.
आखिर में costume ही पहनते हैं और कुछ तो नहीं होता.
घर से देखो करके आते रहे.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
What about touch up?
मुझे लगता है रिमी.
Really?
हर मिनट में कुछ ना कुछ. हाँ. अरे मुझे ये पहनना है.
नहीं, but कपड़े चेंज मैं नहीं करती, तो जो कपड़े चेंज ऑन द स्पॉट करता है, I guess उसको ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. According to me.
How did the group officially start, and where does the name now come from?
I think she should answer this.
Actually, Ashwini and I should answer.
Okay.
But yeah, how did
So
the group officially
basically,
start? Yeah.
basically Shreya and I मेट अप इन कॉलेज डांस क्लब, ठीक है, तो वहाँ से हम लोगों की दोस्ती हुई, जान पहचान हुआ, एंड वी डिड ऑडिशन फॉर वन K-pop, बट ऑफ कोर्स डिडंट हैड टू मच इवन लाइक एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट, तो सोचा कि क्यों ना श्रेया हैड एन आइडिया, सो वी बिल्ड अप the K-pop and all stuff, sort of she has a dream, and वहाँ से from scratch we build up this huge people out here, huge talents out here, so it's
तुम भी तो स्टार्ट करो। हाँ अपने तो टिप्पणियाँ दीजिए थोड़ी।
It's just like I wanted to have few people that are like me or who love to dance, who love K-pop, or wants to express themselves in public. So I started to find people online and held auditions and selected few people, and now we are here and we are constantly giving out public covers. So I'm really proud of each of us for this, and obviously I really thank you for supporting us.
You can be a vlogger.
Okay, what is one goal we want to achieve on YouTube this year?
You shouldn't say that.
Not to
We
get
should have
copyrighted. Not to get copyrighted.
Yeah, but that's impossible because we do K-pop covers like
10K plus subscriber and million plus views on
yeah.
videos.
I really want
Get
to
monetized.
pass, get monetized.
Earn money. पैसा चाहिए guys, पैसा।
सुन तो
थोड़ा
सही
सा performance भी अगर मिल जाए थोड़ा सा
सुन तो
करने के लिए।
oh, we are not desperate guys.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Where do we see Nox in 3 years? Where do we see it? Do you
In a
guys
big
want to stay in
studio.
Nox after 3 years?
I see ourselves in a big studio.
So like,
थोड़ा practical answer do तो I don't know Nox का क्या होगा 3 years में, because I know Nox रहेगा but people रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे, because सब अपनी studies के लिए बाहर जा सकते हैं and we will not be there. So थोड़ा सा tricky question है.
but कहीं ना कहीं alternative solution भी निकल ही जाएगा।
yeah, I think guys you should wait. You should watch us after 3 years and
And
comment.
and more.
Yeah, and like comment on this video then.
Like
So
comments.
yeah,
Who are
but I
your
think we will be
favorite?
in touch. We all will be in touch, and I think we will continue to make these videos together because somewhere in each of us we all love to do this. So I think we will be here. Are there any plans for original choreography or non-K-pop content?
Yes.
there will
We
be,
do
there
have
will be.
guys.
We have a lot in box for you guys. Just wait and watch.
Want to answer? Why so? Chup chup.
Yeah. Like give a thought to some Bollywood songs to make choreos and some Hollywood like pop songs too.
In some times we
Bollywood
are planning to
pop
do
songs.
Bollywood songs too, but with our original choreography. So you should stay in touch with us. Yeah. In short, watch us. Subscribe to the challenge.
हम यही
Channel guys. Sorry.
आप प्यार से नहीं देख रहे तो हम धमका के दिखा देंगे.
Okay. Oh, this one's like really good. What has been our favorite comment or interaction with a fan so far?
Roses are red. आगे का नहीं आता.
Oh wait.
वो वाला आनंद देगा तो.
Oh, roses are red. What? Sky is blue.
Sky is blue.
Yeah, something
sky
like
is
that. Something like that. Then it was like I'm
Why
really
Nox girls are not replying some ऐसे कुछ.
something like that. Also, not a fan interaction, but while we shooting Anti-Fragile, we had like many foreigners seeing us while we were shooting, so I really enjoyed
And in
that.
High like that, we met few girls, like
Yeah.
2 or 3, and they were saying that we have watched you.
Yeah, we have
Videos.
watched your videos and all.
Anti-Fragile?
And no, how we
Gitanjali
like
ke,
How you like that Nox?
Yeah.
oh, how you like that?
not in Anti-Fragile, and like during Anti-Fragile we met those girls again. So that was like the little fan interaction we had. Okay. Oh, this is thoda delulu sa question. If we could perform in any city in the world, where would we go?
Obviously South
Korea.
Korea.
Sir.
Very obvious.
Yeah.
Bhumika will go to North Korea.
With me.
Coachella.
If they could.
What is our dream cover or project that we haven't done yet?
For me, it's gonna be BTS Pro. Yeah.
BTS
I really like that.
BTS का कोई भी पुराना song.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए BTS का run.
Run or like the one bulletproof run. Like,
For me, it's twice maybe.
oh, so like,
I would like to do Enhypens one day because उनके choreos बहुत अच्छे हैं.
मुझे भी Hypen
If we can, I want to do
Bite me.
Bite me. अच्छा, but we don't have enough time for that. कोई इंश्योर है मेरे साथ नाचना
14 members?
दे आर साथ ठीक है देन के जो
Light
फीमेल
भी
डांसर्स
है,
हैं
हाँ।
वो भी साथ हैं तो 14 चाहिए ना
Yeah, guys, you have listened.
Culinary film भी कर सकते हैं.
Which
Ah,
culinary?
culinary.
Oh, I really want to do Jimin's वो वाला.
Very good.
No.
प्रॉमिस
Set me free.
Yeah, set me free. Set me free. How do we get to know the locations we are going to film in Delhi, and which spots makes the perfect public cover?
अरे तो हमको पता ही है बसंत विहार
Guys,
बस
so we are looking for new spots so that
Do
we
suggest
can,
us some if you know.
if you know, like in Delhi itself, if there are good spots,
दिल्ली
better.
दिल्ली एनसीआर
Delhi, जहाँ पे मेट्रो हो भाई.
जहां पे इसीलिए बोला ना
So, like, if you know, do comment down below so that we can give you better quality of covers. Okay. Which specific dance move took us the longest to master as a team?
Maybe
Anti-fragile.
break dance.
Anti-fragile. How you like that dance break?
Or anti-fragile.
What about Pink Venom?
Anti-fragile was a total disaster.
Yeah,
But yeah, let them get
Last part.
we were so upset. Like the anti-fragile team was so upset that it's not that good anti-fragile.
Yeah, exactly.
But then we got views on it, so we decided to keep it that way. But now let's
All
see.
thank goes to you.
Yeah, you guys love. Okay. Oh, who is the most likely to get hungry during a practice session?
रिमी
Ricky.
लगती नहीं होगी.
यार वैसे तो सबको ही भूख लग जाती है यार.
सभी बुक
It's
करें
so
ऐसा शर्मीले दिल बोलता है.
yeah, it's so hot and like then सबको भूख लग जाती है.
बिरयानी.
What's इसका आंसर मुझे एकदम पता है ठीक है. What's the funniest thing a passerby has said to us while we were filming in public?
पढ़ते नहीं.
और एक और था जब हम एंटी-फ्रैजाइल शूट कर रहे थे
कुछ anti-fragile के
सारे बैठे हुए थे बेंच पे
ये सर आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं हो गया.
नहीं एक अंकल वहीं पे काम करते थे तो हम लोग शूट कर ही रहे
वो
हैं
काम नहीं करते थे. वो वहाँ पे बैठे
नहीं साइड पे बेंच पे बैठे हुए थे
वो
वो
जो भी थे मतलब तो वो एक अंकल आके हम लोग डांस कर रहे हैं और वो साइड से निकलते हुए कहते हैं कि पता नहीं क्या पागल है क्या करते रहते हैं और मैंने को सुन लिया और मैं सोच रही थी मानो क्या करूंगी
नहीं उससे पहले वो सेम अंकल थे.
हाँ.
हम लोग पानी पीने के लिए सिर्फ वहाँ पे बेंच पे बैठे थे. लाइक वो मेरे से पूछते हैं कि बेटा आप लोग क्या करते हो, आप ये कहाँ पे डालते वालते हो. तो मैंने चैनल वगैरह बताया. तो he was like, oh तो आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं हो क्या? तो मैंने कहा है.
पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करते वो जिसके अलावा
फिर हमने उन अंकल को इग्नोर करके
क्योंकि वो अंकल इग्नोर कर रहे थे.
तो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा जजी हो गए थे. Anyways guys, this stuff happens.
अब मुझे लगता है एंटी-फ्रैजाइल में और व्यूज बढ़ेंगे
सब कुछ हुआ है इसमें.
उसका मूवी तो डाल रखा है हमने बिहाइंड द सीन वाला उसमें बड़ा अंकल दिख जाएंगे साइड में बैठे हुए शायद से
अंकल स्पॉट करके
कैसे उस दैट अंकल
कुर्ता पहना था आइए सुनो.
वाइट वैसे तो नहीं दिखेंगे क्योंकि वो बेंच दूर था बट स्टिल
Has anyone ever had a wardrobe malfunction mid performance that we managed to hide?
Not me.
रिमी का टॉप पूरा नीचे आ गया
practice video.
वो हमें थी पूरी याद
It was a
है
practice. It was a practice video. Yeah.
Not
तुम लेट आई थी
It was a tube top. और मैं नीचे आ गया.
पूरा नीचे आ गया था भाई क्योंकि ऊपर नीचे
But
बैठे
we didn't see anything. We didn't see anything. We didn't see anything.
मैंने तो wear किया था. Don't worry.
guys watch Little Miss. Gap में भी हुआ था थोड़ा सा but it's okay.
हमें
It's
पता,
not,
हमें
it was
पता.
nothing major.
अच्छा क्या उसमें
But अब तुम लोग नहीं देख सकते. Personal question. What do our families and friends actually think about us spending all our weekends dancing in public?
My mom is very proud of both of us.
Yeah, guys, they are twins. Sister
We are siblings, real siblings.
Yeah.
Me and them.
If you don't know.
Jyoti and Lily are set.
Joy and joy.
Oh, sorry.
आपको
Joy.
तो पर्सनली बोलनी चाहिए. ये लो आप माइक पकड़ो बात करो.
मम्मी जब मुझे खा लेते हैं मम्मी को
मेरे बोर्ड्स चल रहे थे जिस टाइम पे हमारी शूटिंग हो रही थी
मोस्टली तभी शूट हुए.
और कैसे कैसे करके मुझे आना पड़ा था बिल्कुल ऐसे मम्मी से पूरा डांट खा रही थी
Oh, आंटी की
जाते टाइम पे डांट खा रही थी आते टाइम पे डांट खा रही थी
अपने साइड भी आने वाले हैं इसमें.
ट्वेल्थ का बच्चा है
देखते हैं वो तो ऐसे डराओ मत मेरे को वैसे डराओ
It is very something.
मालूम कुछ ऐड करना चाहिए.
So हमारे father भी उसकी क्या नचनी चाहिए. Today it's like not not so funny to me. Okay, so but from my mother's side, it's really opposite. Like वो सोचती है कि हाँ मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ, like कुछ तो आगे जाके इसका होगा क्योंकि I got skills और she knows. And my मम्मी की side वाले भी really support me, my brother and all. So yeah, पापा की side से really negative, but मम्मी की side से everything is so positive.
Anyone else? Yeah. I know everything, guys.
मैं पूरी डिटेल दूंगी, ठीक है? My sister and my mother, they think I'm cool, ठीक है? बोलते नहीं हैं, they think I'm cool क्योंकि I got the skills, ठीक है? लेकिन आखिर में they don't support much क्योंकि we never know कि public कब like against में हो जाए हमारे. That's why I think कि my family likes that I'm skillful, but they don't like that I'm showing it to everyone. That's the whole thing. ठीक है?
I got that.
को हिडन रखो.
Nice challenge, keep it in.
It is actually nice though, तभी मैं यहाँ पर हूँ.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. मेरी तो family support है.
Okay, guys. Next question is, who is the member that always shows up late with an iced coffee?
अगर 10 बजे आना है तो ईशा आएगी 1 बजे.
Guys, I have proof. मेरे पास मैंने बहुत पहले एक वीडियो बनाई थी जिसमें I was like the practice was at 10:30 and people showed up at 2. मैं भी बनाई जाऊँ ये लोग लेट आता रहता है मैं
इतना थोड़े ना.
Guys, again, who can watch a choreo once and basically have it down, and who needs a week of tips?
One time, like she can watch one time and she knows how to do the steps. Because her basics are very very clear. Even
Anyways, guys, अभी हमारे साथ सब लोग नहीं हैं, सारे members. अभी हमारे साथ सारे members नहीं हैं ग्रुप के, because ये लोग आने वाले थे but नहीं आ पाए. But anyways हम लोग ने shoot करा because it was important. As हम लोग को बहुत दिन हो गए 1K subscriber hit करे हुए. ये हमारा ये बहुत लॉन्ग व्यू वीडियो था जो हमें करना था बिकॉज Q&A was something जो आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा आस्क कर रहे थे वीडियोस के कमेंट्स में. So that's why we rushed and shot this today. And the members who are not with us right now are रोहू, उसकी इतनी बड़ी सी पिक लगाऊंगी मैं यहाँ पे. Okay, and Ananya, Kanika, Twinkle, Harshita. And anyone else?
no, I don't
So how many members are there in Nox? यार ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता seriously.
I guess 13. If I'm not wrong, 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and like Rohan,
Ananya.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.
चलो 17.
I guess that's right. 13.
17 बन सकता है, कर सकते हैं.
MCT नहीं पता.
उसके किसी like वैसी उसी कर देंगे ना.
This is a really important question. So एक इंसान ने कमेंट किया था हमारी एक वीडियो पे and she or he asked that who are our favorite like main dancers, visuals and all. So we don't have we haven't officially discussed that, but I think I'll ask everyone who thinks is the main dancer of our group and lead dancers and also visuals of the group. Let's go. Guys, who is the main dancer?
According to me, main dancer would be Lily, Joy, me, and Ashwin.
Which lead dancer or main dancer?
Lead dancer me
Okay.
and Lily, or main dancer would be Ashwini and Joy.
मैं विजुअल भी बता के ग्रुप को तो मैं डिसाइड कर देती थी, रैपर वोकल सारी पोजीशन दे देती इसमें तो मैं बोल सारी everyone is dancer. We can
No, like personally, if I think as a friend, I would say कि everyone is a good dancer. But like, if I think as a leader, I know who is the best dancer of our group and who is learning and who needs to work a lot on themselves. So I think rather than asking everyone, I would just say it because कलेश नहीं चाहिए मुझे अब. So I personally think Ashwini and we discussed that our main dancers are like Joy, Lily, and
Visuals.
For visuals, I have chosen like
Ananya.
Ananya because she's like her expression is so good. Also, lead dancer, I really think lead dancer is Twinkle.
Yeah.
She's like really good. So yeah, और बाकी के जो बचे लोग हैं, they are all good. Not like they are very bad dancer or anything. I just think that these people whose name we have chosen are like shines the most on the camera. So that's why I think they are the main leads, or you would say like the main members of the Right.
And it was just an answer for your question.
Yeah, it's just no hard feelings because we all work around, like we all work the same. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? We all work hard. Okay, सब लोग एक तरह से ही मेहनत करते हैं. Just the other कि आपको क्या चाहिए? We just okay. You want to say anything else? Add? Nope. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Oh, this is my favorite question. Okay, if we could collaborate with any other dance group in India, who would it be?
What is mixed up?
Mixed up.
Mixed up again.
Yeah,
Girl Crush, D-Trend.
No.
I like that.
I'm sorry, no offense
Yeah,
to the
I like
great friends, but
I don't
I
like that.
really want to collaborate with Girl Crush. Actually, we
Girl
did,
Crush.
yeah, we did meet Girl Crush during our practice,
Yep.
and we
Maybe if you're
like,
watching.
yeah,
Maybe if you're watching, we want to collaborate with you.
okay, just if like a reel would do,
Yeah, even we would.
yeah. But let's see if
Full-on fake collab.
yeah, probably someday, guys. Let's stay Delulu. Okay, this is a question for our diva ladies because उनका makeup टिक जाता है इतनी धूप गर्मी में. How do we deal with the Delhi heat pollution while trying to look cool and K-pop ready on camera?
Just put filter. That's right.
What
No.
the fuck?
No, we don't. We don't.
We don't use any filter, guys.
Yeah. अरे यार बचपन से दिल्ली में रहते रहते आदत पड़ गई.
अच्छा नहीं था ये.
पड़ गई भाई. उससे पूछो वो उसको ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती होगी. उसके अंदर ठंडक होती है.
North Eastern Valley. माइक नहीं चल रहा है, ऐसे कर रहे हैं.
चलो. So
It's not true.
I don't know मैं कैसा survive करता है, but I used to carry a tissue paper to like tap.
Yeah.
I don't know बाकी का तो मुझे नहीं पता. हाँ एक lipstick तो रहती है pocket में.
Touch-up guys, touch-up is necessary.
Right pocket वाला तो नहीं होता है tissue paper.
Guys, मेरा तो सारा touch-up से लिपस्टिक खत्म हो चुका है.
और lip liner भी. To be honest.
ये तो मैं ब्रांड्स को बता रही थी.
Like
PR भेज दो please.
What do you mean?
देखो मुंह पे नहीं बोलेंगे. PR भेजो. धमका के बोलेंगे. Mars. यार प्लीज लिप ग्रिप.
क्या मार्ट होता आपका फाउंडेशन यूज करते हैं?
Please मेरे पास 2 lip
Bro.
एक आपकी लिपस्टिक थी वो मैंने आगे फ्रेंड को भेज दिया.
ये क्या है? तुम्हारे दिल से बाहर क्यों आ रहा है?
कि भाई वो वहाँ से पैकेज भर है.
Oh.
Like transition. This
Okay.
now.
Okay. How do you decide who gets which role or center part in the new cover?
We said with it.
So I don't really like decide, but just see who can do the center part more accurately, or just see the vibe, how the person is doing,
Expressions,
expressions and
yeah.
camera work.
Video.
If your dance is good, you will get the role in the like the dance cover, or if your camera sense is good, then you'll get the center part. I think like that because center part is something that people get attached to, or like the bam movement. So I need someone who can do it properly. Yeah. So let's play a game now. Okay.
Okay.
Let's play a game. It's this or that. Okay. Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Okay. So I'll say some questions. You have to like this or suppose I say yeah, you have to choose one. I'll say suppose momos or pizza. You have to like say one. Okay.
How to play
Okay.
this or that.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Filming in public park or filming in a crowded mall?
Public. Public park.
Public park.
नहीं mall because
Mall.
crowd है वहाँ.
Mall. Same.
Because of AC, I would choose mall.
Yeah.
Mall is good option because
Mall.
public parks. Right?
Hey, mall.
Okay, I'll choose mall too. Guys. Okay. Being the center of the chorus or having killer solo break?
Killer
Solo
break.
Mirror practice or filming yourself to check mistakes?
मेरे
Yeah,
लिए
practice. Unfortunately हो नहीं पाती पर अब से
Yes.
होगी. अब से
You're going to
होगी.
get a mirror, guys.
Yes.
I think we should just like tell them that our next cover is going to be.
No.
No, अभी नहीं.
Guys, secret.
Speak over.
Secret.
Not revealing the secret.
But just drop the hit.
Yeah,
Like
it's-
boy group. Yeah, that's it. It's a boy group.
I'll beep it. I call her like when I'm leaving my home, 9 o'clock. She's like, oh, I just woke up. Do I have to come? And she lives like 30 minutes more आगे मेरे से तो like
But it
wow.
still takes 2 hours.
Yeah, that's why she games at 2.
Get the A.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Sneakers.
Moods भी होना चाहिए भाई इसमें.
Okay, sharp, powerful moves or smooth, groovy vibes?
Sharp.
For me, it's
I know. For me, it's like मेरा mood पर depend करता है.
वाह ये ऑप्शन हमें तो नहीं
इसलिए
दिया.
आपके
I'm your host. I'm the host, guys. Okay, fun,
बस
perfect.
इधर तो जाओ अश्विनी को देखना.
तो वही
Okay, summer shoots या फिर winter shoots?
विंटर तक तो पा सकती हूँ.
Summer videos बहुत सही
हो
होती
सकती है
है.
समर्स
That's it.
विंटर
बाकी
समर्स में नहीं.
सब उसमें वीडियो अच्छी
I
नहीं
hate
है.
summer.
I
बहुत strong है. I hate
Best
summer.
spring का भी देना चाहिए ऑप्शन.
Girl group या फिर boy group?
Girl group. Girl group.
हमारी पूरी वीडियो जो रिलीज के वहाँ से थी वो सब हो चुकी है बिकॉज स्टोरेज प्रॉब्लम. उसमें हम लोग ने बहुत हार्टफेल्ट चीजें बोली थी, स्पेशली मैंने. बट एनीवेज मैं फिर से बोल सकती हूँ, बट मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. आज का टॉक टाइम खत्म हो गया मेरा. बस
क्लैपिंग भी हुई थी आज.
But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this Q&A video and supporting us, liking all our public covers and literally motivating us so that we continue to post all of these, because it takes a lot of struggle, lot of energy to honestly learn all this choreo and go in public, go out there and shoot all of this. So thank you for supporting. We need your support. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you.
Thank you. Do subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe, like,
Stay tuned.
और कमेंट करना.
Comment करना and do comment. Q&A के part 2 के लिए.
जल्दी तुमने करा दो guys.
Shout out to 5 best comments.
Yeah.
And I will
Yeah,
nice.
Your best comment will get featured in our next video.
And we'll get
so
pinned too.
yeah, pinned too. Also, you might get a chance to meet us.
Just that the brands out there are watching this and
Yeah, we need you. You need us.
oh, you need us more than we
Let's
need
make
you.
it happen.
Yeah,
Right up.
yeah, that's it, because we are getting clothes. We are managing our clothes ourselves. हम लोग अपने expensive सब कुछ खुद से कर रहे हैं. We don't get any payout from this. So we will all appreciate if some brands are there out who can like sponsor our clothes and all, so that we can
Little
give
box,
you-
it's your chance to shine.
Yeah, little box. Special mention. Okay, guys. If also any small brands wants to collaborate, you can DM us or email us. We will definitely reply you back. Okay. Thank you. Okay, last में वो बोलोगे?
Stop the
Stop the clock, it's time for Nos.
Okay. Stop the clock. It's time for Nos. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stop the clock, it's time for Nos. Bye. 안녕.